All right, now let's take a look at let's do a comparison. Okay, there's the comparison. This is after it's been sanded with 320. Okay, obviously hasn't been touched here. All right, now let's follow this down. All right, here, unsanded and sanded. The before on this piece and the after on this piece. See, this is solid oak. All right, if it was solid pine, it would be the same, but oak is more valuable. It costs a lot more per square foot or linear foot. And so the linear footage of this is quite a bit more than pine, but solid wood is worth buying and it's easy to restore. And I'm going to show you that process when I go live. Now I'm going to show you what this is going to look like. We'll do a comparison. All right, now let's check out this comparison. Are you ready? What it looked like originally. And are you ready for this? Bam! Look at that. Night and day difference. As you can see, it's taking shape. All right, now let's do a comparison here between this and this. Okay. It'll look the same. And there's your comparisons right there. Up close and personal. Same color. All right. So we're going to redo this and we're going to install this as well. But I'm going to have to redo it. So stay tuned. Don't throw away your solid wood trim. It's restorable. Remember, easy 2 tips and tricks. Where you see everything up close and personal. It's a win-win-win. Tell a friend. Look forward to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I'll be going live. And this will be in the description on after the live stream. So tell a friend, like, subscribe. It's a win. Bye for now. God bless. And keep looking up. Always away. Always.